what's up you guys? It's Sarah, and today I kind of just wanted to do a little casual video to show you some things that I got from Ulta today. A lot of things were on sale, and a couple of things were a splurge, and a couple of the other things were things that I kind of needed. So let's get right into it. So the grand total for all of this was $50, and when you see what I got, you will be shocked that I got all of this for $50. So I am just gonna start out with the best thing that I got because I'm so happy and excited that I got this on clearance. The infamous Chi straightener. So this is a Ulta Beauty exclusive and I just love the color. It's called Ocean Breeze and it was on sale. I don't know if you can see that tag. For $24.97. So for $25 I got a Chi straightener, and I don't know how I lucked out on this because all the other straighteners there were on clearance for $60, $70, $80. So the straightener that I have just like pooped out recently, so Devin's fired on me because I'm filming in his apartment.
Thank you, babe. I love his lighting and setup that he has here, so.
Here is the tote bag.
I'm gonna give this to my mom because I already have way too many purses, and she loves bags and stuff like this, so it's cute. It's just for like, possibly going to the pool or the beach, or, I mean, it can fit a pretty good amount of things in there. Definitely gonna give it to mom though.
So here it is. It is so beautiful. I love this color. It really reminds me of Kylie Jenner and Storm. I will test it out at the end of the video, okay? So the next item that I got is, so these are Ardell Double Up lashes in black, and they were on sale for $2.79, so they were on clearance, and I can definitely make these lashes last. They're kind of like bigger lashes than I typically wear.
Like the ones that I wear on the daily, these ones are very natural looking, and then these would be kind of like for going out or maybe a little extra glam look. So $2.79 for lashes, yes please.
And this concealer, you guys, is my favorite concealer in the whole entire world. CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. And if you like Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, you will love this even more. First off, Tarte Shape Tape was my favorite concealer that I've ever tried because it covered up all my acne scarring, dark circles. It was very, very full coverage. But the thing is it's, what, $30? I feel like it's about $30. And for someone who is using concealer every single day,
that runs out really fast.
So I was actually at Walmart and I found this in the clearance bin. I tried it out and I absolutely loved it. And so I just ran out of it. I went to Ulta to get more concealer and they had it there, thank God. I am 100% sure this is on purpose supposed to be a dupe of the Shape Tape concealer because if you look at the packaging, I'm gonna swatch the formula for you guys just so you can see. And also this is exactly what Shape Tape looks like. It has the same exact applicator, same exact packaging, and
there we go. So as you can see, you guys, it is very full coverage. It dries down very nicely. It blends so seamlessly, and the thing about this one that I like even more than Shape Tape is that Shape Tape was sometimes a little bit drying for my skin because I tend to have dry skin, but this is very moisturizing. So what am I saying? The best dupe ever for Tarte Shape Tape.
This was $11.99, okay? Don't sleep. Oh, these kind of go hand in hand. These are the last two items that I got. As you can see,
this hand is not looking that great at all. I just painted these the other day and this hand has already come off and this one is barely hanging in there.
I was going around Ulta and I saw these for $8. So in my opinion, that is so cheap because these last for up to 2 weeks on application. It comes with 34. So you will be able to do more than one application, and it also comes with a nail file. They're so easy to apply.
It just says wash your hands with soap and water, apply from the cuticle line and cover your entire nail, press down firmly, and then you pretty much file off the excess. It comes with a white side of the file that you use, and then you use the gray side of the file to smooth it out. So I thought that was awesome, and these colors are just so beautiful.
As you can see, it's like a purple ombre, and then a pink ombre, and then purple with these rainbow glitters, and then just some glittery ones. So as you can see, I have nail polish on my hands right now, so I just picked this up. It's maximum strength, 100% pure acetone nail polish remover. That was $1.69. I am actually going to go try out these two products. I'm gonna do the nails and the cheese, so if you're still here, keep on watching. Okay, so something that I already like about this is it comes with a Velcro strap. So if I want to just tuck the cord away, it is already connected and I can just wrap it up back like that. Okay, so you'll click the power button once and this green light will start flashing on a temperature amount, and then you just click the up or down. So I'm turning it all the way up to 410. I just want to see how hot it can really go. Oh my gosh, okay. Well, as you can see, there's already a line there, so I'm gonna turn it down.
Because I am used to using Ross and TJ Maxx straighteners, which don't actually work, but this one, I barely touched it and it straightened it like crazy, so let's try to fix that line from the beginning. Oh my gosh, okay. Well,
it looks really nice. It's just making it so soft and silky. All of my ends flow together. Wow. I love the color, and you can't beat a cheese straightener for $25. On to the next, which is nails. I
am gonna take some cotton squares that I have here. I don't know why I just like cotton squares better than cotton pads or cotton rounds. I don't know. So we have this acetone nail polish remover. I mean, to be honest, even if I get 100% acetone from wherever else, it does not come off this easy. So I would say this is definitely like pro nail polish remover. No joke.
So for my pinky, I think I'm gonna do this cute pink color, and I can take it out. Oh, okay. So very, very careful. Apply from the cuticle, push down. Okay, I'm pushing down, and then it says to fold it over. So I'm folding it over. It's a file in a single direction with the white part. So I'm gonna just do that. Oh, it's coming right off there. Well, that was easy. Okay, and then it says to use the gray side to smooth it out. Finish with the gray. So I'm gonna go in one direction. This came out great. That was very easy. It looks like I painted it, honestly, and it looks pretty good. So I am just gonna do the rest of my nails, and I'll show you how it goes. Goes and press down from center and then side to side. Okay, and then use the gray side to smooth it out. Stick it on. This, honestly, I never want to paint my nails ever again. This is amazing. Okay, well, that is coming out beautiful. I'm in love, honestly. I love these. I love these already, so close up later, but look at these. Wow, I did that in like a minute. So let's do the other hand, and then we're done.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. And then just use that to smooth it out. You guys, this is the future. Oh my gosh, I love them.
Here is the final product. I think they're so pretty. There's pink, purple with design. yeah, that is pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. I hope that this inspires you to maybe try out some new products that you wouldn't have tried before, and I gave you some helpful reviews. So if you would like to see another video like this, comment down below and let me know if you ended up trying any of the products. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed. I would very much appreciate it, and I will see you soon.